Hi there. Welcome to KwikTactiX. At the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up and host your own multi-user sessions using your Session Planner app. So, what exactly do we mean by multi-user sessions? Well, to put it simple, your Session Planner can operate as a powerful online whiteboard. So everyone connected can visualize and interact with everything on your planner in real time, no matter where they are in the world and what platform they are using. You could say it's an online tactics board for football, soccer, or futsal, where you can collaborate with your viewers instantly. And what's best is it's super simple to set up. All you do is create a Session Connect link, then ping that link out to whoever you want to connect to your planner. Okay, now you know what you can do, let's go ahead and set up a session link. We'll also run through connecting to a session, using the Session Viewer app, which your visitors use. We'll talk about the functions that are available to them, and what controls you have in place to avoid unnecessary hassle. Go ahead and launch your Session Planner, if it's not already open. When you're ready to start, click Admin, and select Host Live Session from the top menu. This will bring up the Create Live Session window, where you create your session link. You can either set up a session link, where it becomes active on a certain date and time. Or you can create an ad hoc session link, where the link is immediately active, for the time frame you set. To create a link for a future session, set the date and time when you want the session to start, by clicking the box, here. Now set the time zone. This should automatically be detected, however in case it is not set, you can click the code and set it according to your time zone. Now set how long the session will be active for, here. And finally, click the Create Session Link button. The planner will record your appointment, and display a connect link. You simply copy the connect link, and send it to whoever you want. The link is only activated on the date and time you set, and deactivated after the time frame has reached. So no one can connect to your planner after the link expires. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and create an ad hoc session link. Click Admin, then click Host Live Session. To create an ad hoc link, all we need to do is set how long the session will last. The default is 30 minutes, which means after 30 minutes, no one will be able to connect to your session planner. But if someone is already connected, then they will stay connected in case your session overruns. So let's keep this at 30 minutes. Then all we need to do is click the Create Session Link button. Notice that it inserts the current date and time into the Start Date box. Now click the session link and copy it. And open a new browser tab, and paste the link in. This will load the Session Viewer app, which is a cut-down version of the Session Planner. If the session link is active, then it will display an identification box. Go ahead and enter Test User, then click Join Session. The Viewer app will now be connected to your Session Planner. Notice that the viewer does not have access to any admin features, and is running a cut-down version of the Session Planner. In fact, all a viewer can do is use the markers, drawing tools, and export a screenshot to their device. Nothing else. Okay. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to show both browser windows open at the same time, so we can see what's happening as a viewer and as the presenter. On the left, we have the presenter running the Session Planner app. And on the right we have a viewer, using the Session Viewer app. Notice that when I drop a marker and draw on the canvas as the presenter, the viewer instantly sees what I am doing. And then on the Viewer app, I'll move a marker I dropped on the canvas as the presenter. And then I'll draw on the canvas. Notice how the presenter sees what the viewer is doing instantly. As the presenter, you can disable anyone drawing on the canvas, by selecting Admin, and clicking Disable Draw. When I set this, notice what happens on the viewer window, when I try and draw on the canvas as a viewer. The viewer gets a message pop up, advising that the presenter has disabled drawing. However, the canvas still gets updated with what the presenter is doing, whilst the viewer can only watch. Having this control allows you to present sessions to as many people as you like, without them interacting with what you're doing. The presenter also has a handy tool that shows who is connected to the session in real time. To open it, click Admin and select Session Info. This will open the Session Info window. Notice that the test user we connected as is shown. The Session Info tool updates automatically as people connect and disconnect. It's also worth pointing out that the presenter, who is using the Session Planner, can use all the normal functions during the live session. So they can open and save projects, change background images, record the session to video, switch between slides, and everything else. Whatever the presenter does and shows on their canvas is instantly shown on all the viewers. There are endless possibilities with this feature, from one-on-one mentoring to one-to-many podcasters. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial.